Hello guys, I am Asif Ali and you are watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this wings effect in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara, and this effect was requested from one of my subscriber. He commented on my tutorial here on this tutorial. He commented that he wants this wings effect that can go with the character's back. So thank you for suggestion, and I have created this tutorial for you. So let's check it out how I created. So I have this Unreal Engine 5 project, and I took this third person template and just created this wings effect and attached it with my character. So I'm sorry, this is not from scratch. I'm not going to create it again because I have already created it, because I was trying it how to do this because my subscriber asking me, so I was doing it and I have come up with a output that I was liking. So I thought I should show this tutorial, this effect how I created. So I will not create it again, but I'll try my best to show you everything what I have done, each and every properties, each and everything that I have created. So first of